I'm Vishnu and here I am today to talk about three kinds of environment: clean environment, safe environment and healthy environment. So clean environment gives us positive vibes, clean environment makes us healthy and clean environment makes us to do work productively. So yes, cleanliness is really important for us. So in the case of public place and in the case of our homes, we have to take steps and we have to clean it. Everyone should clean their home as well as the public places. As a citizen of our country and as a responsible citizen, we have to take steps and we have to clean the environment. So safe environment. Okay, safe environment that should be safe for humans as well as the animals and birds and the reptiles. इस धरती पर हमारा जितना हक है उतना हक एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स के भी है. तो ऑस्ट्रेलियन बुश फायर से लेकर ब्राजीलियन फॉरेस्ट फायर तक, विच इज द लंग्स ऑफ आवर अर्थ that get burnt and so many species got homeless. We are the people who are killing the animals. We are the people who are doing companies, we are doing businesses by killing the animals and by cutting the forest. So yes, we have to take step against this, and yes, the environment should be safe for everyone, or not only for our entertainment, for our development, for our economic, killing the species, but the species who creates this environment very beautiful and they are the creatures of God. We have no rights to kill them. So let's take the step, let's take a change. Let's change this this kind of thinking, this kind of mentality of the people. So the environment, we can keep our environment healthy as well as our society. So how could we make our environment healthy? So first, stop using the plastics who cannot degradable in the soil. Stop using the chemical who are creating the unhealthy environment. So we have to stop all those things, and use, instead of using the motorcycles, we can use bicycles for the less pollutants, for the less pollution of our environment, so that our environment keeps healthy. By doing all these things, we can keep our environment healthy and stop deforestation for our development. We can also create a balance between the development of the economy as well as the environment, as well as we can keep our environment healthy. So yes, environment is necessary. Without environment we cannot develop, the economy cannot develop, the country cannot develop. So yes, development is necessary as well as the environment is also necessary. And if we talk about the healthy environment for men's and women's, so yes, stop judging others, stop criticizing others, and stop harassing mentally to the people, because you don't know who are creating what kind of difficulty times. So stop judging people by their opinions. Everyone's opinion matters, and everyone's opinion is different. My opinion is different than yours. So yes, we have to respect everyone's opinion, and we do not have to judge a book by its cover. So yes, stop judging others by their opinions. And yes, this video is all about change. This video is all about to take the small steps. So yes, if you want to change, I want to change, then the whole country can be changed. So we don't have to make the people around us to change. First we have to change ourselves, then whole world, then whole country will change. बदलने के लिए बस हमारा और आपका होना जरूरी है. हम सबको बदल नहीं सकते, लेकिन हम कुछ लोगों को बदल सकते हैं, कुछ लोगों के माइंडसेट बदल सकते हैं, जो सच में बदलाव लाना चाहते हैं, जो एनवायरनमेंट की सच में कदर करते हैं और एनवायरनमेंट के लिए कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहते हैं. तो दिस वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट द सॉल्यूशन. सो लेट्स मेक दिस एनवायरनमेंट हेल्दी, सेफ एंड क्लीन. We are the generation who are facing so many calamities in the recent years. So yes, just to change our environment, just to change our society, we have to take some few steps to make it healthy and make it safe for everyone out there. So to make our environment clean, safe and healthy, be the 1% change makers. We need that 1% to be changed, not to change the whole world. We cannot change everyone, but we can change some people and we can change ourselves. खुद को बदलना होगा कुछ बदलाव के लिए। तो यस, वी आर द रियल चेंज मेकर। बदलाव के लिए 100 लोगों की नहीं, बस कुछ ही लोगों को बदलना जरूरी है। तो जब महात्मा गांधी जी ने भारत की फ्रीडम के लिए प्रोटेस्ट किया था, वो अकेले थे क्योंकि वो सही थे। उनके साथ पूरा देश आगे आया था क्योंकि वो अकेले थे और सही थे। तो अकेले होना बड़ी बात नहीं, सही होना बड़ी बात है। और इस टाइम में, इस वक्त में एनवायरनमेंट के लिए स्टेप्स लेना, एनवायरनमेंट की केयर करना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। वी हैव टू चेंज इट एंड वी हैव टू मेक इट सेफ फॉर एवरीवन एंड वी हैव टू टेक द स्टेप्स टू चेंज इट। So if we don't change the environment today, so tomorrow our next generation will face so many calamities, so many disasters than we are facing now. So let's make this environment clean, safe and healthy for ourselves and also for our next generation also. छोटी छोटी चीजों से बदलाव आती है। हमको पूरा देश बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम खुद बदल जाएंगे तो पूरी देश बदल जाएंगे। सो बी दैट 1% चेंज मेकर्स। बदलाव के लिए आपका बदलना, मेरा बदलना जरूरी है। तो यस, इस काम को सपोर्ट कीजिए और इस यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। अगर आप बातों पे नहीं, काम पे विश्वास रखते हो, अगर आप एनवायरनमेंट के लिए सच में कुछ करना चाहते हो, एनवायरमेंटल वीडियोस देखने के लिए और उस पर काम करने के लिए, हमें सजेशंस देने के लिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। और हाँ, बदलाव के लिए कुछ लोगों को बदलना ज़रूरी होगा क्योंकि हम बदलेंगे तो देश बदलेगा, अगर देश बदलेगा तो एनवायरनमेंट बदलेगी, तो पूरी पर्यावरण को हम सुरक्षित कर पाएंगे। जय हिंद।